MiG-21 was the Soviet Union's first truly modern second-generation jet fighter. Testing began in 1956 and the first version entered service in 1960 as the MiG-21F. Soviet designers developed a unique tailed delta configuration with a very thin delta wing, which gave the aircraft maneuverability, high speed, good medium altitude performance, and adequate takeoff and landing characteristics. It set aviation records, becoming the most produced supersonic jet aircraft in aviation history, the most produced combat aircraft since the Korean War, and previously the longest production run of any combat aircraft.